Hi everyone, and happy return to the Help Coin. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day. June 11th is Monday, not July. I hope you have some scheduled plans. I'm aware that I'm preparing to attend a birthday celebration. We Suns are doing a really bad job of trying to make it. Although it appears to have been a terrible morning in Florida, things may change suddenly, so we need to talk about the current state of cryptocurrency in this video. Because of the alleged crash and the entire two-set move involving XRP, everyone is freaking out. Everyone is panicking over Bitcoin's 2% decline. They believe that the people's bull run is canceled. In case you watched the video from yesterday, I made the call. I predicted exactly how things would turn out. You don't trust me, so return to the VOD. Listen to it. This isn't something you made up. Every action that takes place is exactly timelined and pinned to my Twitter thread. Right now, we're maybe 6 for 6 up from 5 for 5. I'm not sure. Read it and see for yourself. This was something we were sure would happen. Is it finished? It may not be. However, the amount of further we can descend is limited. The worst case situation, 6,465, if that occurs, we reverse and go back up, but this might also be the bottom. From here, we can reverse and go back up. We provided you with the buy box with the information about the price of XRP. Everyone is freaking out over the 2-cent move because we urged you to break out of the accumulation zones. Who gives a damn? 2 cents, what is it? You got it at 51 instead of 49, so will you be kicking yourself when we look back on this in $3, $4, and $5? No, we will go over it. We will discuss how they managed to get themselves into a somewhat precarious situation. Bitcoin, well, its bets have reached all-time highs for its ETF data, breaking all previous records. We will review the XRP chart by chart. Without further ado, settle down and enjoy as we discuss Bitcoin and how it may soon surge up to the $83,000 range. Savor the performance. Following its descent from $3,624 to $69,625 on Ethereum, Bitcoin is currently down 2.32% over the last 24 hours. It has decreased by 2.94%. However, note that USDT and USDC both arrive at $1.01. What does that indicate? That money has moved from the market to stables. Why? Because the big boys, the institutions, and the people with inside knowledge that we are not allowed to have know something, they are sitting in stables and know that there was a debt that fell or that there may be another drop on the horizon. Their goal is to obtain a better entry. How will we know, people, when it dips over? It's really easy to achieve this when the two main stablecoins, USDT and USDC, return to the dollar peg. You are aware that the market is once again seeing a surge in money, and do you own any Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP? They are investing in and placing bets on whatever cryptocurrency they choose because they believe that the worst is going to pass and that things will soon turn around. Additionally, let them know that even at $1, they still expect it to go down. That is how easy this is. People attempt to overcomplicate things by drawing endless triangles. In an attempt to convey that there is a 50% possibility that we will rise, they draw a lot of fancy lines on the chart. However, there's also a 50% probability that we fail. Bravo, Einstein. You're quite intelligent. We will rise or fall in a way that no one can foresee, and you identify as an analyst. You must be aware of the psychology underlying the markets. Everyone believed that these markets were going to explode, that 100,000 would arrive, and that the season would end exactly as planned. In contrast, we descended, and what are we witnessing now? People are freaking out because this is what they want. And when they do, they go crazy. They even sell their position and lose money. These things then pump, and either they have a terrible buy-in position or they quit the markets completely. Just consider that XRP is only a lean 49 cents. The last 24 hours saw a 6% decrease, and the last 90 days saw a 19% decrease. I was being ridiculed by everyone. I had informed you that the true shift would occur around 2025. Everyone thought I was crazy. I was insane. We're trying to break that next move up at 49 cents, still 75 cents, but look who's insane now. It's almost summer's end, 75 cents. Early Q3. So you understand that it's that easy. People, you'd better get yourself a black cup if you don't already have one. Because I'll tell you why right now. They have nearly 8 remaining. I have a family of 8 cups that won't last, so I will also be tweeting about these. Worldwide shipping is available for free on this item. Yes, I don't give a damn where you reside. It's on its way to you at no cost, 3,499 right now. It's roughly 70 XRP, give or take 65 XRP. I will tell you something though. The purchasers of these mugs the other day for 5,253 cents on the XRP. Now, if they sell their cups for an XRP, they will make more money. Do you find that appealing? Yes, it is correct. Obtain your cups. Many cups. Many cups next week. People, new merchandise and cups will be available. You will enjoy what we are going to release. Click the link below to purchase that XRP immediately. Before we get into some serious news, take a calm look at this. I have to show you this, so I'm going to turn it off. Eddie Hall is battling two opponents, and he not only hits one with a powerbomb. Next, he eliminates him in the first game over TKO versus 1. There's nothing wrong with it. In battle country these days, I suppose anything goes. CryptoWare released this to maintain. They deny that they supplied the excuse for me to anticipate the price of XRP at $10,000 USD. It's somewhat humorous. Without a doubt, they succeeded. They made it public. I'm very certain that it was covered by every cryptocurrency influencer on YouTube. I'll pull the trigger. That's all right. The forecast was made by you. Who cares whether I take responsibility for it, right or wrong? Nobody is aware of it, as you never stated that there would be 10,000. Maybe in 2050 or even tomorrow, the price of a coin will reach $10,000. We simply don't know. It's your viewpoint, You should live up to your thoughts. Nobody is able to judge you as right or wrong. Both the head and shoulders. Examine this one. According to a cryptocurrency specialist, Bitcoin may reach 83,000 in the next few days. The positive prediction comes ahead of important U.S. data and is expected to have an impact on the Fed rate reduction. Anticipations, this is the action. You are aware that the next action we will be monitoring will result in the loss of 74,000 Bitcoin. Since I've been telling you this for the past 2 months, minus 74K gets broken, I may sound like a broken record. There is going to be a sharp upswing that will take us into the $80,000 area. It will happen quickly. It will happen quickly, followed by a brief retest of Bitcoin's value into the 1970s. And this year will witness a strong surge to above 100,000. A lock of 160 or 170 Bitcoins is certain to meet those price targets because it is locked in 100%. To what height do we ascend? That is the query. 3,00350, $250,000, we're not sure. A little too soon, but we'll gather the information and solve the problem. Bets on Bitcoin reached a peak of 37 billion as ETF inflows broke all previous records. The ratio of long to short is beginning to move in the bull's favor. Given that Wednesday's data suggests that some traders anticipate Bitcoins, it should be intriguing to see new all-time highs in the upcoming weeks. We see the sharp decline in the price of Bitcoin, and what's happening now, there are a lot of long positions being taken because everyone is once again becoming extremely enthusiastic about Bitcoin, as they should be. Minus 74K is the number to watch. Let's examine this down. She moves, we will notice a minor correction. Ty Hawthorne stated, quoting a wise person he once heard, "This bull market will be unlike anything we have ever seen before things really take off." Yes, I quote everyone on that. That is exactly what I said. What took place? You follow her all the way down there. We had, I think, 45 cents. Yes, we had anticipated it. We're ready, and I'll be purchasing. Why not? You purchase red, you sell green, and you realize how easy this is, yet people continue to misunderstand it. Keith's chart can be found here. He released this for the information. On his chart, he has pinned 6 or 8 months, or perhaps a year ago, as you may recall. This is the buying area. This is it. We're almost at the bottom of the buy zone.